Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and you keep getting this error, DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Subnautica 2 easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to update your graphic card's drivers to the latest one. So you're going to open up your web browser and now I'll show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to click onto drivers, you're going to fill in this manual driver search form here. So select your graphics card along with the operating system, click find then, and it will find you the latest GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to go ahead and install the GeForce Game Ready driver on your computer. And now on to AMD, you're going to go on to AMD.com, click resources and support, click drivers. You're going to click on to graphics here, Radeon RX, select your graphics card series along with the model, click submit. And now this is only for AMD, but what you're going to do here is you're either going to download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers 26.5.2 and install them on your computer. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you can try downloading the second last version. So just come back into this page, click onto previous versions, click on your operating system and download these 26.3.1 here. These drivers are more stable than these ones. So just download these drivers on your computer and install them, and that will most definitely fix your issue. Now onto Intel, you're going to go on to intel.com, click on to support here, download center then, and then graphics, and then you're going to search for a graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with restarting your computer, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam, you're going to right click on Subnautica 2, properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. And once it's done with that, now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.